Hello dear traders, happy Saturday. It's time for our MK block summary, which I've been doing every week now for quite a while. Let's get started. Euro dollar on the 9th of October. So above the price we have longies, dumb money longies, but also some shorties below the price. But overall we see an upward sloping squeeze line showing that at the moment the longies are pouring into the market. So bearish outlook on the 11th. Then we see that we also have the older dumb money longies above the price. So of course this is a great situation for our reversal. So for our reversal, down against the old and new dumb money longies, okay, after the high has been cleared. So pretty optimal here, yes. So down move against the dumb money longies. Look on the lower time frame. We have 2 MTS and an order gap zone. This is a golden combi, the golden combination, yeah, for our energy plus inner range MTS, in this case 2 with an order gap zone. So fantastic short trade, quite good value, yeah, golden combi. And of course it comes all the way down as expected. What happens, more and more longies are trying to buy the market, believe it or not, making it go down faster. Okay, so on the day chart, this is how this looks like. After the big downtrend and the pullback, we then had the trend resumption because longies are buying again, as simple as that. Alright, then going down towards the next MTS. Cable, similar things. So here also the highs have been cleared with old longies above the price, new longies coming in. So great factors for our reversal, down against the old and new dumb money longies, coming down nicely again. Longies buying, same like euro dollar, and therefore the down move is accelerated. And there we go, all the way down to the lower channel band. Beautiful short trade then, cable. Euro pound, so a bit more complex. So we had an MTS below the price, and it can take it out next week. Australian dollar, so a similar thing with shorties. So it went up at the beginning of the week, taking the stops of the dumb money shorties, and then the same thing like in the other pairs. Okay, old longies above the price, new longies. So nice setup for a reversal down. And this is exactly what happened, of course correlated with the other ones. That's how forex works, okay? Very known situation and setup, seen many times here. This is the only place where you see these things, and these are the factors which actually move the market, nothing else, okay? No fundamentals. People are coming with their stories, supply and demand, it's all wrong. This is how this works, okay? Boom. Kiwi, the same thing, for reversal down against the dumb money longies, okay? Of course, dollar pairs are all correlated there. Nice. Dollar cut also completed the fall reversal because the shorties were leaving. Then in the pullback towards the upper MTS, and then leveled out in the middle of the range at the end of the week. Okay. Dollar yen. So first went down against the longies, but overall we have this dynamic going on that they want to take the upper stops of the dumb money shorties. So here on the 12th, it took the upper MTS and the order gap zone against the dumb money shorties, the red bars there. We see it nicely on the day chart, yeah? Remember this gray pattern, short is coming in, so it's going up again. Alright, so it was not difficult to predict that. Pound yen, long is an MTS below the price. One of the nice trades, of course, moving towards that MTS. Also filled option strike targets on the 13th. Then moved towards the lower MTS, okay, with for our energy. So again, the golden combi. Very tradable setup. These are the setup where you can make pretty easy pips, okay? Euro yen took the lower MTS, nice scalp there as well, not difficult to predict. And then had a new MTS below the price, and also for our reversal energy. Okay, that's why we do the multi-time frame analysis. Then you can predict those kind of moves with confidence. Euro Aussie, some for our energy with lower MTS, moved nicely towards there. Nice short trade there, no problems. This was like tricky, the pullback towards the upper MTS. but the theme is clear. It's going down, taking the lower one. Okay. Euro Aussie has an option strike target now, but also short is in the way. It's a bit complex for more advanced traders. Pound Aussie had an MTS below the price, and for our energies also came down as predicted. Easy trade. So that was rather an easy week. Okay. Bitcoin took the lower two MTS against the longies. Boom. Here on the 12th of October, we see it nicely. Did exactly a pullback from there. Of course, before it took the upper day chart MTS, so now it took the upper and lower MTS. It gets more similar to forex. Gold was a bit complex because the market was empty, longies and shorties left, so it did an empty pullback to the upside. You have to understand, so that's the difference between the metals and forex, I would say. You see, boom, the market was empty, not many dummy traders, so it just went for a big rail pattern and took the stops. You have to understand, so this is still the difference to forex. They can do those empty moves. There is a bit of impact from fundamentals still in gold and silver, but it has decreased a lot in the last 2 years. But I can tell you that 8-9 years ago, forex was a bit similar. There were some empty moves like here. This doesn't really exist anymore. Now it's all completely logical and pretty predictable. Silver pretty neutral there, did a pullback as well, and then went also up against those little shorties there. So not so interesting the metals this week. But yeah, some easy, nice golden combination setup trades. If you caught some of them, well done.